we had with the Commissioner of Police and members of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security in Ondo State to review our preparations for the forthcoming governorship election, which is only a little over 5 months from today. So we reviewed the challenges generally. There are areas or issues that are known. There is nothing extraordinary requiring some extraordinary action. But we recognize the need for us to continue to be vigilant, working with the security agencies. All the flashpoints have been identified, including the types of threats across all the 18 local government areas, and we have shared the information with the security agencies who will do the needful. But so far, so good. So my appeal to political leaders in Ondo State, as well as the population, is to continue to keep the peace. We have had no major adverse report as we prepare for the elections, and we are confident that it will remain the same into the elections and beyond. Thank you very much.
Right. So, Citizen, I think the voice of your team, you did give assurance the opening that your task, you take it seriously. But I would like to hear from you, because we do know from record that as campaigns intensify, that is where we experience breakdown of law and order. How prepared are you as the campaigns intensify in 2 months?
Okay, you can be very assured that election security is not new to us as an agency of government that is charged with the internal security operations. We are fully prepared in conjunction with our sister security agencies whom you have seen around. At the moment, we have deployed for the continuous voters registration, which is ongoing, and that is the more reason why we appreciate the coming of the INEC chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, who has come to interface with us to know our challenges and the level of our preparation. You should be rest assured that the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, has mandated deployment of personnel for this election that is coming up in November. The deployment has been done. Those who are coming for the elections are already known. And be rest assured that with the synergy and support of security agencies, as you have seen around, we are good to go.
How many personnel are you deploying?
I will not want to tell you because security information is on the need to know. But be rest assured that we are deploying robust number of personnel in line with the deployment that will be made by the NCDC, the Correctional Service, the Road Safety, and all other sister agencies. But be rest assured that this is an obstacle election, and getting personnel to perform this task should not be a problem to us. Thank you.